Hello, divine beings. I am here in the middle of a forest, some woods. Just needed to come out here and just sit with nature. Just haven't had good energy levels or moods lately. Been thinking about so many things that really isn't relevant to my spiritual growth and gaining spiritual sovereignty back. I've been at odds with myself lately, battling my ego and my spirit. Sometimes I don't know if I'm growing or if I'm digging a deeper hole for myself. All that I do know is that ever since my spirit has awakened to more than what I see, I realized that I can't just go back and be the old person that doesn't know what I know now. And as much as I just sometimes would like to just give up and just let go, I know that there's another side of me, a voice in the back of my head that's always there, pushing me in the direction of truth, of light. And as much as I try to deny it, as much as I try to bury it, it's always there, knocking and telling me to get up. And I've just been hearing a lot lately about just having the mental mindset and the mental strength to basically let go of what needs to be let go of and be able to shift the mindset and, step into something that is unpredictable, something that you don't know, but you know that it's going to, help you grow and just be beneficial for your life. So yeah, I've been in a place where I want what's best for me, but I just need a little bit more guidance, and I need to be putting more effort into my practices and applying things into my life in order to see change and actually just changing. And it's been really hard for me. And maybe it's because I'm fighting it and I'm going against the natural flow of how things are supposed to happen for me. Instead, I go against it and I smoke and I drink and I partake in things that isn't going to uplift me and help me grow spiritually. And I'm just tired of feeling sorry for myself. And I'm tired of comparing my life to others. And I just want to start putting in the work. I know that if I just start doing something, I feel like things will fall into place for me. I can't just keep sitting around not doing anything and allowing things to happen to me, not bringing meaning into my life. I just come out here in nature and I see how beautiful and abundant it is, and how everything is one and we're not separate. And if nature is abundant and we are the same thing as nature, then why can't I be abundant? Why can't I prosper? Why can't I grow and be and embody that energy? But yeah, I want to be able to shift my mindset, change it all up, to the point where I don't even recognize my own self. And hey, I'm ready and I'm waiting for it, because it has happened before, and I, you know, made a U-turn and went back down the same road that I was trying to leave and get off of, and that's okay, because I have to learn, I have to grow, and sometimes a part of succeeding and growing is failing and, being fed up with things happening over and over again because of the same decisions you keep continuing to make over and over again. And that's a part of the journey to growth, to elevation, to just succeeding in everything that you do. And as much as I've been content in this being that I've been, in this moment, in this time, in this space, I know that there has to be growth for me, because every day I wake up thinking, what am I going to do today that's going to be different? Or what am I going to do today that's going to be the same that I did yesterday? I can't keep living like that. And if you're going through the same thing that I'm going through, you don't deserve that either. Especially if you know and you're aware that you want the best for you, and you just don't know which way to go about it. And that's okay, because with really sitting with yourself and coming to the conclusion that you're not going to do or be the same person anymore, or do the same things anymore, will come that guidance. Will come the signs. Will come the signs from the universe speaking to you and God speaking to you. I am wanting to get out of the habit of bad habits, and I just need to find healthier distractions, healthier habits, healthier just decision making overall, healthier mindset, in order to get out of this place that I'm in. And I know that my time is coming, because I feel it every day more and more. I heard something. So I just pray, and I just pray that the universe, that God, that my ancestors are with me every step of the way, and that everything that I need to know or need to have, the resources, whatever that may look like or whatever that may be, that I attract it. I don't want to chase after anything. I just want to be able to be in alignment, be in tune with myself so much that I don't need to worry or stress about if I'm going to get something, or if something is going to happen for me, or if an opportunity is going to present itself. I know that all will be attracted because I am in alignment with who I am and what I want to do, and the energy that I want to bring into the world. So, yeah, that's just my little rant for today. I have been wanting to record a lot more, post a lot more, just get my energy out there more. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to shine my light. And even though I'm not quite sure which way I'm going or what I'm doing, I'm just so grateful that I have the awareness and the consciousness to be able to sit here and express myself the way that I am, and know that there probably is other people that are going through the same thing. And I just want to say, as many times as I really wanted to give up, as many times as I just wanted to say, just give up, as many times as the energy, like, it's so easy to give up. It's so easy to make the wrong decisions, because doing something wrong is like the easy way out of things. It's like cutting corners. It's like cutting corners, and people find that cutting corners is just way more easier than the journey and the hard work and the sacrifices and the struggles that you go through that makes you a better version of yourself. So, for all those out there that are feeling like there's no hope, that there's no opportunity, or they just don't see that there's good things coming their way, there is. You just have to get in alignment with it, and you'll start to see. So yeah, I hope that you guys take something from this. I'm not sure if any of it really made sense, because these are my feelings and my emotions, and sometimes I don't even think that a lot of things that's up here doesn't really make too much sense these days. Well, I ain't gonna say it like that, but sometimes things just doesn't make sense to me, and that's because, a lot of the pieces to the puzzle is missing, We're still figuring out things that has been hidden from us for so long, so, it's okay not to always have it together, and that's just the way it goes sometimes. But I love you. I pray that this message touches somebody and makes them realize that, regardless of what they're going through, they're going to get through it, because they've been strong this whole time. So, better days are coming. And if you got to cry it out, cry it out. If you got to scream, scream it out, dance it out, any way that you need to do it. But do it for you. Do what's best for you always. Because once you do what's best for you, you'll be able to do what's best for everyone and everything. Yeah. Hope y'all have a beautiful, beautiful, peaceful, joyful day. I really sincerely do. And I hope the same for me too. And yeah, I'm crying it out, y'all. I need to do that. So sorry for the tears. Peace and love.